Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is March 22, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am very tired today.
Me too. I need a very large coffee.
Yes, coffee is very necessary this morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I slept for only 5 hours.
That is not enough. You need 8 hours of sleep.
I know, but I was thinking about work.
Do you have a lot of work today?
Yes, I have 3 big meetings this morning.
Oh, 3 meetings is a lot of meetings.
I know, the new project is very complicated.
I am very busy too. I have 5 calls with clients.
Good luck with your calls. Are they new clients?
Yes, they are new. I hope they buy our new software.
You are a very good sales representative. They will buy it.
Thank you, Alex. You are a great project manager.
Thanks. The weather is very bad today, right?
Yes, it is raining a lot. I hate the rain.
I like the rain. It is very calm.
I prefer the sun. The sun makes me happy.
Did you read the news this morning on your train?
Yes, I read the Washington Post on my phone.
Did you see the news about California?
Yes, the new law for young workers. It is interesting.
They want to give $500 every month to young people.
I think it is a fantastic idea for them.
Really? Why do you think it is a good idea?
Young people need money to buy things. It is good for sales.
But where does the $500 come from?
I do not know. Maybe from the government taxes.
Yes, taxes will go up for everyone else.
That is true. I do not want to pay more taxes.
It is a complex economic problem for the state.
I just think $500 is a lot of help.
It is help, but it can cause inflation in the stores.
Inflation is very bad for business. You're right.
We need to look at the big picture always.
You always think about the structure and the future, Alex.
That is my job as a project manager. I plan things.
True. Oh, the coffee machine is very slow today.
Yes, it is. Maybe it needs more water inside.
I will put more water in the machine now.
Thank you, David. You are very kind to do that.
No problem. I need my coffee to wake up my brain.
Did you read the Boston Globe today too?
No, I only read one newspaper today. What did it say?
Schools in Boston are banning AI for all homework.
Banning AI? But AI is so fast and so easy.
Yes, but the students use it to cheat on tests.
I use AI to write my sales emails every day.
Writing emails for work is different from learning at school.
I guess you are right. Kids need to learn to write.
Exactly. If AI does the homework, the kids do not learn.
But technology is the future. They need to use computers.
They can use computers, but not to do all the work.
That makes sense. I remember doing my homework with old books.
Me too. We went to the library to read for hours.
Now you just ask the computer and you get the answer.
It is too easy now. The brain needs to work hard.
My brain is working hard right now. I need some sugar.
Do you want a cookie? I have one in my bag.
Yes, please. You are the best colleague in the office.
Here you go. It is a chocolate cookie from my house.
Delicious. So, are you ready for meeting number 1 today?
Almost ready. I need to print 10 documents before that.
The printer on floor 2 is broken again.
Oh no. Is the printer on floor 3 working well?
Yes, I used it 10 minutes ago. It is fine.
Perfect. I will go to floor 3 after my coffee.
Did you see the news on CNN this morning?
No, I did not watch CNN today. What is happening?
A big streaming company is canceling all their reality shows.
Really? All of them? That is a big change.
Yes, 0 reality shows next year. They want to show old movies.
That is very interesting news. I love old movies very much.
I am very sad. I love watching reality shows at night.
Why do you like reality shows so much, David?
They are very funny. I do not have to think much.
I prefer movies with a good story and very good actors.
But reality shows have real people. It is very entertaining.
Sometimes they are not very real. They are scripted by writers.
Maybe, but they make me laugh after a very long day.
Old movies have a lot of history and beautiful culture.
Old movies are too slow for me. I always fall asleep.
You just need to find the right movie for you.
Maybe you can recommend one good movie for me to watch.
I will give you a list of 5 great old movies.
Okay, I will try to watch one movie this weekend.
You will like it, I promise you.
We will see. My coffee is finally ready to drink.
Mine too. It smells very good this morning.
Yes, it does. What time is meeting number 1 starting?
It is at 9 in the morning, in the main room.
It is 8:45 now. You have 15 minutes.
I need to hurry up. I have to print those documents.
Do you want me to print them for you, Alex?
No, thank you. I need to check the numbers before that?
Okay. Let me know if you need any help today.
Thanks, David. You are a very good friend.
I try my best. What are you doing for lunch today?
I think I will eat a small salad at my desk.
A small salad. You need more food for a busy day.
I know, but I do not have time to go out.
I am going to buy a big sandwich from the cafeteria.
That sounds very good. Maybe tomorrow we can eat lunch together?
Yes. Let us eat together tomorrow. I will buy the sandwiches.
Perfect. We can talk more about the news tomorrow.
And you can ask me about the old movie.
Yes. Do not forget to watch the movie I recommend.
I will not forget. I will put it on my phone.
Good. Well, I need to go to floor 3 now.
Okay, Alex. Have a very good day at work.
You too, David. Good luck with your 5 new clients.
Thank you. I will sell a lot of software today.
I am sure you will. See you later in the afternoon.
See you later, Alex. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.